Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I will be making a faux lemon cake. And for that we're gonna need a bowl, Elmer's glue, Johnson's baby powder or any powder you have, and a block of foam and a spoon for mixing and frosting, and this spoon for measuring. So let's get started. First we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna start adding our powder just like that, and we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of baby powder like so. It's a little bit messy, but you will get a hang on it. And after you add your 6 tablespoons of baby powder, we're gonna take our glue, and I will remove that cap off because that's not gonna be easy. So we take that cap off and we add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's glue like that, and we start adding. As you can see, I'm reaching for my new yellow paint. You can add any paint you want, and I'm also reaching for my green paint. This one I'm using. And you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of paint. I'm using green because I don't want to use lots of yellow, because I'm adding lemons and all of that decor to my cake. And now you start mixing and mixing and adding and mixing. And you're going to continue mixing all of it like so, and then I'm adding a little bit yellow because that's too green. And I don't want it to be too green. And I will continue adding yellow until I get the shade of green I want. That is some kind of lime green. And then we're going to start with a spoon. I'm using the same one that I mixed. Don't do that. But we're going to use our spoon to frost our cake. I added a dowel on the bottom part of my cake to make it easier. And we're going to continue frosting it like so until we have it all frosted. Just like that. You can make some pipe and some piping, or you can make some different look. I just went for the simple frosting on top of my cake. Now we're gonna let it dry a little bit, like an hour or so. And after it's dry, we're gonna start by adding, now it's a bit drier, and we're gonna start adding all of our embellishments. But first we're gonna make some ripples on our frosting, so it looks like it was made with a spoon. That's what I wanted. That's the look that I wanted. And now we're adding some greenery, and we're gonna add some leaves, and this is to your liking. And I'm gonna add that lemon slice over there by using my hot glue, just like that. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our lemon, our greenery, everything. I have the stand, and it looks like a real cake. I just wanted a simple cake look. You can do whatever you want. You can add something to the bottom. This is to your liking. And this is how it looks. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.